Today, I'm going to show you how to earn rewards with RedotPay's referral program. With this program, you can earn commissions by inviting friends to join RedotPay. Once your friend activates their card and starts spending, you'll receive rewards. Here's how it works. Step 1. Send invitations. Go to Benefits, View More or Hub. Referral to get your unique referral code and link. Step 2. Invitees register and verify. Share your referral code or link with your friend. They need to register using that link or code and complete their identity verification. Step 3. Earn commissions. Once your friend activates their card and makes purchases, you'll start receiving rewards. Here's a breakdown for both sides. For inviters, click Invite Friends and earn rewards to get your referral code and link. Share it with your friends through social media, email, or messaging apps. For invitees, click the invite link to register or enter the referral code during sign-up. Complete identity verification and purchase a card to activate the referral relationship. A couple of important notes. The referral relationship must be established during registration. Establishing a referral relationship does not provide extra commissions. Commissions are only earned once the invitee activates their card and starts spending. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily earn rewards by inviting friends to RedotPay.